Alright, Captain Claus Adventures here with Captain Terry Claus. What's our strategy for the day?
Okay, we're going to go after multiple different species today. We're going to first start off with some mahi-mahi. We've got some good reports this morning that the dolphin have been out in about 700 feet of water to 1,000 feet of water, primarily under weed lines. So we're going to be cruising around out there. We got flat, calm conditions, which is really nice. We're going to be looking around, looking underneath the weeds, riding in our tuna tower, trying to spot the dolphin, and then casting either jigs or live bait to them, and maybe trolling some artificials for them as well. And should be a great day. And then after we catch some dolphin, we're going to try deep dropping for some swordfish. They've been biting too, and that'll take place in anywhere from 1,600 to 1,800 feet of water on the bottom. So it should be a great day.
Do you guarantee a swordfish today?
It's tough to guarantee a swordfish, but I would.
You heard it here, folks. No guarantees. We'll check back in once we catch something. Alright, we're out here about 1,000 feet of water. We just baited a free jumping sailfish. Unfortunately, our live bait catching was not successful this morning, so I tried to bait him with Chuck Norris. He looked at it for a second, but he was going to eat Chuck Norris. So hopefully we either catch some bait, find some dolphin, or maybe our bubbler will hook on to that sailfish. So we've seen a little bit of action so far this morning. We'll check back in shortly.
Trey, you want me to come up there and help you find the fish? I always find the fish. All right, we're off Palm Beach in about 1,000 feet of water. We found some beautiful weed lines. We saw some dolphin jumping out of the water up ahead of the boat. Unfortunately, we were unable to get a bite out of them. So we're moving along here looking for another school, and hopefully we'll get them. There was a few caught yesterday, not a lot, but there was a few, and we'll be happy if we can catch a couple dozen and then go sword fishing. Dolphin was chasing it, I got this.
Nice! Good job.
Get up. Over.
see another tower boat offshore of us, maybe 2 miles deeper. He's been sitting in the same spot for about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna run out there, see if he's catching them and if he's in the right depth, and then check back in a few minutes.
No telling.
Give me that water.
100?
I'm trying to get to Wahoo right now. A big wooden structure, maybe a pallet, maybe a box, we don't know. Caught some mahi. Caught all the mahi. Some were keepers, some were not. We threw the ones that were not keepers back. But the real prize is the wahoo. We just got cut off, and then I got a bite just now. Luckily I didn't lose my jigs. Trey dropped some wire, but he's not getting bit now. So I'm gonna drop no wire. I'm going naked. You wanna go naked? Tight! Ah! Oh, the dolphin are chasing him up. There's the dolphin.
There's the dolphin
are back.
again.
A lot of dolphin back there.
What's really interesting is we've been out here looking for dolphin for a long time. We haven't been able to find anything. And then we found this huge crate, right? Crate with a pallet on it. And we pulled up to it and there was tons of jacks, millions of jacks around this thing and no dolphin. We were like, oh my God, there's no dolphin around this. We're not gonna find any dolphin today. So we said, well, there's gotta be some wahoo. So we dropped down a vertical jig, and then when we brought the vertical jig up, guess what followed them up? All the dolphin. So the dolphin were there, but they were just down deep. So we were able to catch a bunch of them, and now we're trying to go back to catching that wahoo.
Big dolphin too. Nice one.
Yeah.
That thing hit the popper 6 times.
Wow, look at him.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Dennis, you want to bite this one?
He came up on the vertical jig again.
Land sideways.
Yay!
Look at that. The thing came right out.
All right, well, we had a good morning. Caught a few dolphin off of a big pallet. Seeping into the afternoon now, so we're looking to drop for some swordfish and to try and catch a big one. We'll check back pretty soon here.
We got an eel going down, 200-pound mono, and what we like to do is we like to drop going to the north first on our tip rod, and then we drop our buoy rod out the back as soon as we turn the boat going south. So we're dropping our tip rod first. We let it out about 1,500 revolutions, and then we turn the boat. So based on how deep you're dropping, that's how many revolutions you're going to let out. So we're going to turn the boat and start going towards the line, and when we do that, then we're going to let out our buoy rod. They have the dart built.
All right, Captain Terry, give us an update on how our day went.
It went really, really well. We caught a bunch of dolphin, a bunch of Almaco jacks. We dropped for swordfish later on in the afternoon. We think we might have had a bite, but maybe not. It was a little sketchy, I think, right? But overall, it was a great day. Had a good time. The weather was beautiful, flat, calm conditions. And we probably caught, I don't know, how many dolphins, Tyler? 10, 12, you think?
Probably 10 or 12.
10 or 12 dolphin, yeah. So it was a great day. And we caught them all on lures, which was really nice. We didn't have any live bait today. So it was a great day. We're going to now go back to the dock, fillet them out, and cook them up.
You heard it here, folks. It's a great day. Tune back in next time for another great day, hopefully.
Oh man, I'm so nervous docking this boat all the time. I always feel like I'm gonna crash. Never crash though. Guess there's a first time for everything. First time for everything. I mean, what would happen right now if my engines would just like stall out? Oh look, there's Tyler, my bow man. There's bow man up there. Here we are, Old Port Cove Marina, fuel dock. There's our slip up here. A lot of nice yachts in here. Beautiful place, floating docks, which makes it really nice, especially for a storm surge. Makes it really nice for storm surge. The boat goes up and down with the dock. You don't have to worry about giving all that extra slack in your lines when you tie them up, allowing for the tide to go up and down. Floating docks, this is the way to go. The spring has been sprung. That's good news. Clear